Yo, YouTube, it is my turn to do this.
Yeah, I broke
Action.
it.
So, crap, how am I supposed to do this?
So, if you haven't watched the other video, yeah, hold on. If you haven't watched the other video,
Dalton got
I
got a few seconds.
stuck my face in here for a total of 7 seconds. We're gonna see if he can go for 10.
I don't even know if I can. I gotta pee, man. I gotta pee.
Hold it. Ice.
Tell me when to start.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 seconds in.
Oh god. Oh, I can't breathe. Let's do that again.
It's just, it shocks you, doesn't it?
Can't breathe.
Pinterest.
Yo, YouTube. Can I put my nose like that and go under? Can I? Does that count?
I guess.
Alright.
And go.
Okay.
Yeah, like 4 seconds in.
Oh god, that's so cold.
No, I thought it would be warm.
I'm still doing it. Videotape, man. Videotape it. Oh my god, this
Alright.
sucks.
It's still going.
Oh man.
Hold on, wait.
Oh my god.
2, 1, do it. I'll poke you when it's been 10 seconds.
Dude, it's so cold.
I know.
Dude, it's so cold.
Go.
I'll do it like this.
Doesn't count.
Huh. Oh my god. Dude, it's so cold.
My
Man, it's
hand's
too cold. Oh my god, give me a towel.
Well, why'd you stick this thing? Okay.
Oh, dude.
We're out of towels. We're literally out of
Make
towels.
it hot, man. That hurts your face. Make it hot water, real hot.
I'll stick your hand here for like a couple seconds. Oh, dude.
Oh, crap. Dude.
Oh,
God.
hey, YouTube, you're going in.
Dude, look at my hair.
I want my hair back in this. Oh, God. Oh, my God, I my AirPod.
Don't get up.
Did you see that? Yeah, beebs.
Holy crap.
Dude, you broke it. I'm just kidding, it's like that.
Yeah, we gotta make this hot water next. Oh man. Oh man, I gotta pee. I'm gonna eat your piece of this glass.
Glass? You can eat glass? What's wrong with you?
Look at this piece. Yeah, Dalton, make it.
Alright, go for it.
Make it hot now. Make it cold at the same time though. No, stop. Don't make it that hot. I can easily do it for hot this type of water. Stop. Seriously, don't do that. You're gonna get some on your iPod, dog. Stop.
Yeah, I should have listened to you. Ear drip. Ear drip.
Ear dripping, everybody. Yo.
Facebook.
Yeah, we're gonna upload this Facebook, man.
YouTube.
Yo, is that good enough? Is that good enough? Or you want more?
You're never gonna know. I'm just kidding. How does that make you feel?
My hair's been worse, YouTube, man. I've been worse. Yo, I'm gonna comb my hair with my... Holy crap, stop.
That's room temperature right there. That's what I can tell you about that much.
Yo, boys, let's get this going.
Dude, hey Spidey. Spidey. What's going on, Spidey?
Look at that.
If you don't get the joke, look at the freaking shirt.
Spider-Man.
Spidey.
Yeah, don't. Don't, seriously.
Doesn't work.
Why does it?
Ow.
Don't do that. I'll wake you again. Let's try this again, alright?
We don't have any more towels or anything.
So, I'll just use this.
Alright.
No, just don't. Let me try it out. How do you breathe
Alright.
underwater without looking
You just
stupid?
totally right.
Like with this?
Yeah, okay. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it! That was 2 seconds.
I can't breathe.
Do you want me to do it?
Let me talk underwater.
That was a split second. Go for it, go for it. That doesn't count.
Stop, don't do that. Stop, seriously.
No, I'm not gonna allow that.
I'm going to sneeze. Wait a second.
You better sneeze, boy.
It's gone.
My laugh's so weird. I cut that.